Okay students, see here, and sorry for the inconvenience caused due to the mobile. That video was stopped and this is the second part of the video. We will start from the topic we had left. Now in next paragraph, some of the things that we need are available for free in nature like air and water, but for all our needs and wants we have to pay money. Your mother and I work hard to earn money. Each month we earn a certain amount of money. We have to meet all our needs and wants with this money. Okay? His father explained that what is difference between need and what is difference between need and want. Okay, need are that things that we cannot live without. Okay, नीड्स वो चीजें होती हैं, जरूरतें ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जिसके बिना हम जीवित नहीं रह सकते, हम सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते. वी आर नॉट एबल टू सर्वाइव without needs. For example, our basic needs are air, water and food. Okay, air, water and food, these are the basic needs for our survival. इनके बिना हम जीवित नहीं रह सकते. But wants are that specific things that we want that things to live a lavish life. Okay, हमें अपनी बहुत ही जीवन को एक अच्छे स्तर से जीने के लिए हमें अलग अलग संसाधनों की जरूरत पड़ती है जो हमारे लिए हमारी चाहत है, हमारी आवश्यकताओं को और मनोरंजक तरीके से उसको पूर्ण करती है. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स विच आर स्पेसिफाइड और categorized as wants. If you are talking about the definition of this, then you can see on page number 105 things that we would like to have but which we can live without, like ice cream, chocolates and smartphones. Ice cream, chocolates and smartphones are those things that will come under the category of wants, and without these things we are able to live. ओके, बिना आइसक्रीम के, बिना चॉकलेट के, बिना स्मार्टफोन के हम जीवित रह सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि हम जीवित नहीं रह सकते. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस विच हिज फादर इज टीचिंग टू हिज सन, दैट इज नील. नाउ नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ इज नील sat quietly and thought about what his parents had just told him. Outside his window, two small boys were playing with an old football. They were barefoot but so happy. As he watched them play, he realized something. You do not need expensive things to be happy. He would play wearing the boots he had and he would play very well. Okay? So, Neil was sitting in his room and what he saw outside his window that two small boys were playing out in the grounds with bare foots. Okay, bare foots का मतलब होता है नंगे पैर. नंगे पैर दो बच्चे थे, वो खेल रहे थे और वो बहुत ही खुश थे. They were very happy. Okay, after seeing this, what Neil realized that for being happy person we don't need expensive things. So this realization made Neil to suppress his wants. इस सोच ने, जब नील को ये रियलाइज हुआ कि हमें महंगी चीजों की आवश्यकता नहीं पड़ती खुश रहने के लिए, तब उसे नीड्स एंड वांट्स का जो डिफरेंस था वो अच्छे से समझ में आया और उसने अपने पेरेंट्स की बात को स्वीकार किया, उसने एक्सेप्ट किया. ही एक्सेप्टेड द थिंग्स व्हाट हिज पेरेंट्स हैड टॉट अबाउट नीड्स एंड वांट्स एंड देन ही एग्रीड विद दैट. ओके, now I should give some topics which can describe the difference between needs and wants. Okay, here you are having needs, okay, and here you are having wants. So the first point is air and water. Okay, second point is nutritious food. Okay. Third point is decent clothes. Fourth point is house. Fifth point is medical care. Sixth point is basic utilities. Basic utilities. Next point is savings for our future. Savings for future. Okay. And next point is some means of transport. Some means of transport. Basic means of communication. Okay. So these are the points which will come under the heading needs. Okay. First is air and water. Second is nutritious food. Third one is decent clothes. Fourth, house. Fifth, medical care. Sixth, basic utilities. After that, savings for future. We have to save some money for our future. And next point is some means of transport. When we are going to some work, then we need some means of transport to reach that place. And last point, but not the least one, basic means of communication. We have to talk to someone on phone or we have to communicate with others, then we will need some resources to communicate with others. Okay? So these are the points which will come under the needs. Next point is when we are talking about our wants, ठीक है, अगर हम अपनी इच्छाओं के बारे में बात करें तो पहला पॉइंट है ईटिंग आउट. Eating out, fancy clothes, okay, a large house with several bedrooms, a large house with several bedrooms, and after that jewelry and other accessories. You can just write jewelry. Okay. Movies, latest televisions, movies, latest televisions. Okay. Expensive toys. Expensive toys, smartphones, laptops, smartphones, laptops, etc. Okay, so these are the points which will come under the heading wants. First one is eating out, second one is fancy clothes, third one is a large house with several bedrooms, next one is jewelry and movies, latest televisions, expensive toys, smartphones, laptops, etc. So these are the several things which will come under the heading wants. जो हमारी इच्छाएं हैं, जो हमारा मन करता है कि ये सारी चीजें हमारे पास लेटेस्ट और फैंसी चीजें होनी चाहिए, जिससे हम अपने इंजॉयमेंट लेवल को और हाई कर सकें. ठीक है. So these are the different topics which we discussed today in needs and wants. So these are the points which you are going to revise each and every topic. After that, we are going to cover the summary of this chapter in our next video, and we are also going to cover exercise part with the help of PDF notes that I will provide to you. And in next video, we are going to get some new topics with new chapter. Till then, bye bye, take care.